Hi, it's Ron here, and you can see in the background, I'm going to go a little bit higher on the camera here. I got Lucy the elephant there. Let me walk this way so you can see her a little bit more, but there's Lucy the elephant, all encased in her canvas and, all the scaffolding and so on. She's been under that for over a year now. I was down here the day they first, the first crew arrived with the trucks to get prepared to do this, and so it's been over a year now. I'll put that date in the video. And there's been a lot of rumors lately that Lucy will be finished and uncovered by Columbus Day, which is less than 2 weeks away from today, which is the 28th of September. So there's no signs of anybody working today. Of course, all the scaffolding and canvas is still up, and it's still open. Lucy's still open to go inside in the gift shop. And I don't know if you can take a tour up into her, but you may be able to. But of course, you won't be able to see out to any, probably out any windows or anything like that. I haven't been in it since they started this rehab here. But yeah, so again, no signs of anybody working today, and it doesn't look finished. So maybe the rumors of it being open for President's Day may not be true or may not come to be. So if I see anybody around here today, I will try to talk to them and see if I can get a little information on when Lucy might reopen again. So again, sorry, I've been telling people, friends online, Columbus Day, because that's what I heard from the grapevine, some local sources around here in Margate City, but I'm not too sure about that now. So enjoy some of the footage that I record here, with not only on the B-roll here in the ground, but also I do a little aerial photo with the drones here, some aerial videos. So, okay, enjoy, and we will see you in the next one, folks.